Hello esteemed colleagues, in this tutorial video we'll review Purchase Journal section. To begin you will need to access Journal section. You can do it either from Homepage or from left side menu. The left side of the window will show list of orders. Even as a crew member you will be able to see all orders in this section. Also, you can filter orders by their status using drop-down list above the list of orders. Upon selecting Order from List, main window will show order details. You will have just a few options in the Journal section. You can review all changes made in vessel orders, either new message or item added or change of the order status. This allows to track changes. Also, you can review Order Item History tab, which shows changes only in ordered items. For example, if number of ordered items has been changed. You can print order details using Print button. Upon click on this button, pop-up window will appear prompting you select Portrait, Landscape orientation. Copy Order button will copy your selected order as new in Vessel Order section, copying all item positions, attachments, excluding delivery files and information, like remarks for example. This may be helpful since it allows you to save time on order creation using existing information about orders. Hope this information was helpful, subscribe to stay tuned and thanks for watching.